Statement with only one omission. There is an Illinois connection, you know.
There is, unfortunately.
Thank you. We have 5 judicial nominees on the agenda today, all of whom are ready for a vote. We have 1 U.S. Attorney nominee, 2 bipartisan bills. The Speak Out Act, sponsored by Senators Gillibrand and Blackburn, and co-sponsored by Senators Hirono, Graham, Blumenthal, and myself. We'll vote on that today. And the Journalism Competition and Preservation Act, sponsored by Senators Klobuchar and Kennedy, co-sponsored by 12 other senators, including from this committee, Senators Booker, Whitehouse, Graham, Feinstein, Hirono, Blumenthal, and myself. This bill is going to be held over. We're continuing to work on it, and we're looking forward to returning to it in a timely fashion. I understand the conversations have been productive since our last committee meeting. I'll make brief remarks about one of our judicial nominees before turning to Ranking Member Grassley, then proceed to votes on the judicial nominees and the U.S. Attorney nominee before turning to the legislation. I want to speak briefly on the nomination of Brad Garcia to the D.C. Circuit Court. Mr. Garcia, accomplished litigator, impressive record of appellate advocacy in the Supreme Court and state and federal courts, drafted dozens of briefs and delivered 13 appellate arguments, including 1 in the Supreme Court, 10 in federal circuit courts. Working at the law firm of O'Melveny and Myers, had a broad, varied practice, represented both Fortune 500 companies and pro bono clients, including many cases of current controversy. As a testament to his skill and his impartiality, the Fourth Circuit also appointed him in 3 cases to serve either as amicus counsel or to represent indigent criminal defendants. Notably, before starting his career as a practicing lawyer, Mr. Garcia clerked for judges appointed by presidents of both parties, Judge Thomas Griffith, a George W. Bush appointee to the D.C. Circuit, and Justice Elena Kagan, an Obama appointee to the Supreme Court. He left a favorable impression at every stop. In a strong letter of support to the committee, Judge Griffith wrote, "Brad knew that I am a judicial conservative, played well his role of helping me to be that type of judge regardless of his views. Brad's integrity and in this regard, coupled with his brilliance, gave me a complete confidence in his work." Judge Griffith is just one of several self-identified judicial ideological conservatives who support Mr. Garcia. He also has the support of Jack Goldsmith, former senior official in the Justice Department under George W. Bush, who wrote that he's great at looking at all sides of the issue, balanced and fair-minded. Mr. Garcia has an impressive breadth and depth of experience. It's not surprising he received a well-qualified rating from the ABA. He'll make an outstanding judge in the D.C. Circuit. I'm proud to support him. With that, I turn to Ranking Member Grassley.